Welcome back to the channel. Here we are in my car today. Today we're going to install the hardtop strikers. They have a little piece of rubber in here, and apparently they're a little thicker. So we'll compare them when I remove them, and we'll get to installing. It should make it quieter too because there's a rubber piece in here. So first thing we're going to do, remove the screw out here, and this will pull out. Same on the other side. We'll remove this. There's a couple of screws under here, and this should just come right off. With this lens, you gotta be really careful. I got my little plastic pry tool here. I was able to pry it in here and then go along there's two little indents here. That's where you need to go. One here to pop it off. Oh, there's a freaking bug in there. What the heck? Wow. Okay. Let's see. See, there's little two clips right there. And then there's a couple bolts here. It should be good to go. Alright, once you get those two screws out, you can pry this out. It'll come out. There's only one connector here. And if you haven't done it already, some common issue, another one with this is the contacts on this panel here makes the lights not work. So what you can do is you can remove these two screws here. Under here there's like some copper contacts, and you clean it up with some alcohol. And once you clean it, because it's usually corroded, and then once you clean that up, put it back together and it'll work. So now we're here. Should be able to take this whole thing out now. If you want, you can just start pulling from here. This comes out here, and then you can remove this whole top piece here, and then we'll get to the striker here. Alright, so I got the strikers out. I got the Phillips heads off. They're pretty tight on there. Be careful not to strip them. I used a impact screwdriver to get them out because they're so tight in there. But here's the new one and old one. This new one got the rubber piece on it. I think it's just so noise. Cut down on the noise basically. Here's compared to the old one. The top's a little different too. I went to go get new screws as well because a couple of them got stripped. So got them at Home Depot. They're M6 by 1 by 16 millimeter. So I'm gonna get these installed. Alright, now they're all installed with the new hardware. Now you just put everything back together and you're all good to go. Hopefully this will make my top a little quieter as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully it helped. Until next time, bye.